Good morning, students. This is Suresh, Maths faculty from DAV High School, STSTPS, AP Genco, Nail Tour. In this video, we are going to discuss definition of factors, prime numbers, composite numbers, co-prime, twin prime, and exercise 2 problems related to chapter 3, playing with numbers. What is a factor? Multiplying two whole numbers gives a product. The numbers that we multiply are the factors of the product. Example, 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Here, 2 and 4 are called factors and 8 is a product. One more example, 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Therefore, 3 and 5 are the factors of 15. We can say another way definition of factors. A number which divides the other number exactly is called a factor of that number. In other words, every number is a completely divisible by its factors. Here 1, 2, 3 and 6 are all factors of 6. Similarly, 1 and 19 are factors of 19. Number 5 is not factor of 16 because 16 is not divisible by 5. A factor divides a number completely without leaving any remainder. Factors of a numbers. Factor of 10. Here 10 is divisible by 1, we get remainder is 0. And 10 is divisible by 2, we get remainder is 0. One more, 10 is divisible by 5, we get remainder is 0. 10 is divisible by 10, we get remainder is 0. Therefore, factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. Because according to definition of factor, 10 is completely divisible by its factors. One more example, 30 is divisible by 6, we get 5. And there is no remainder, so we can say that 5 and 6 are the factors of 30. Some more examples for factors. Write the factors of 24. 24 we can write 1 into 24, 2 into 12, 3 into 8, 4 into 6, 6 into 4. Therefore, factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Next example, write the factors of 15. 15 we can write 1 into 15, 3 into 5, 5 into 3. Therefore, factors of 15 is equal to 1, 3, 5 and 15. After complete the examples, we can notice that the number 1 is the smallest factor of every number. Every number will have a minimum of 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. Every number is a factor of itself and is the greatest of its factors. Every factor is less than or equal to the given number. Number of factors of given number are countable. What is prime number? A prime number is a whole number greater than 1 that has exactly 2 factors, 1 and itself. For example, 3 is a prime number because its only factors are 1 and 3. Next definition of composite number. Composite number is a whole number that has more than 2 factors. For example, 6 is a composite number because it has more than 2 factors, that is 1, 2, 3 and 6. The number 1 has exactly 1 factor and it is neither prime nor composite number. Tell whether each number is prime or composite number. Question number A. 11. The factors of 11 are 1 and 11. So, 11 is a prime number because it has only 2 factors. Question number B. 16. The factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Therefore, 16 is a composite number since it has more than 2 factors. Tell whether each number is prime or composite number. Question number C. 14. The factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7 and 14. Therefore, 14 is a composite number since it has more than 2 factors. Question number D. The factors of 7 are 1 and 7. So, 7 is a prime number because it has only 2 factors, that is 1 and itself. After complete the examples of prime number and composite number, we can notice that some important points. Smallest composite number is 4. Smallest prime number is 2. Smallest odd composite number is 9. 2-digit smallest composite number is 12. Next definition of coprimes. When two numbers have no common factors other than 1 are called coprime, or the numbers which have only one has the common factor are called coprimes or relatively prime. In other words, there is no whole number that you could divide them both by exactly. That means without any remainder. Example, 21 and 22 are coprime because the factors of 21 are 1, 3, 7 and 21. The factors of 22 are 1, 2, 11 and 22. Therefore, the only one common factor is 1. So, 21 and 22 are coprimes. From this example, we understood any two consecutive numbers are always coprimes or relatively primes. One more example is 21 and 24 are coprimes. Solution. 21 and 24 are not coprimes because the factors of 21 are 1, 3, 7 and 21. The factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Here the common factors of 21 and 24 are 1 and 3. So 21 and 24 are not coprimes because it has more than one common factor. The other name of relatively prime is mutually prime. Next, definition of twin primes. Twin primes are pairs that differ from each other by 2. That means the difference of any two prime numbers is 2. Such pair is called twin primes. Example, 3, 5, 5, 7, 11, 13, 41, 43, etc. Now we are going to discuss exercise 3.2 problems. Third question. What is the greatest prime number between 1 and 20? Solution. Prime number between 1 and 20 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Therefore, greatest prime number is 19. Fourth question. Find the prime and composite number between 10 and 30. Solution. Prime numbers between 10 and 30 are 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and 29. Composite numbers between 10 and 30 are 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27 and 28. Next, fifth question. The numbers 17 and 71 are prime numbers. Both these numbers have same digits 1 and 7. Find two more such pairs of prime numbers below 100. Solution. 13 and 31 are prime numbers. One more pair. 79 and 97 are prime numbers. Sixth question. Write three pairs of twin primes below 20. Solution. 3, 5, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. 11th question. Write two prime numbers whose difference is 10. Solution. 31, 41 are two prime numbers. Since the difference of 31 and 41 is 10, that is 41 minus 31 is equal to 10. One more pair is 79, 89 are two prime numbers. Since the difference of 79 and 89 is 10, that is 89 minus 79 is equal to 10. 12th question. Write 3 pairs of prime numbers less than 20 whose sum is divisible by 5. Solution. 3 pairs of prime numbers less than 20 are 2, 3, 7, 13, 13, 17, 11, 19. Since the sum is 5, 20, 30 are divisible by 5. Dear students, exercise questions copy in CW and also home assignment do in CW. Thank you.